Hello friends, presenting MRG World, The Balcony. This project is in sector 93 of Gurgaon. Now this project is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana certified, IGBC certified, which stands for Indian Green Building Council. It's a RERA approved project having the registration number as 28 of 2019. Now let us discuss further on this project. This is on 75-meter wide road and the price for a 2 BHK starts at 24 lakh rupees approximately. Now this is our sector 93 in Gurgaon. Now this sector, it's very near to Patodi Road, Dwarka Expressway and NH8. Let's see salient feature of this location. This says it is just 15 meters from IGI Airport, 2.5 kilometers from NH8. It is besides Arve Hospital. It has got shopping complex and multiplex nearby. It is just 2.5 kilometers from Dwarka Expressway and it's in close proximity with DLF Garden Estate. And it's in front of RPS School and 1.5 kilometers from Patodi Road. Now let's discuss about the price of this project. For a unit A type having the carpet area of roughly about 607 square feet and a balcony of 94 square feet, total price comes out to be 24 lakhs 74,000 roughly. And for a 2 BHK type B, carpet area is 589 square feet and a balcony area of 89 square feet. The total cost comes out to be 24 lakhs 3,000 rupees. Home loan it's available from all the leading banks. Now this is the artistic view of the project. Now let's discuss about 2 BHK type A. This is our entry area. Now this is foyer with a size of 9 by 3.6. Drawing dining it's 18.9 by 10.3. Kitchen area, it's 6 by 10.3. First bedroom, it's 12 by 10. Second bedroom, it's 10.6 by 11. Both the washrooms have the same size of 7 by 5 each. Now this is our first balcony, it's 5.6 feet wide. Second balcony, it's 4 feet wide. And the third balcony, it's 5 feet wide. Now this is type B. This is our entry. Drawing dining is 15.9 by 12.6 square feet. Kitchen is 6.9 by 8.6 square feet. First bedroom it's 12 by 10.3. Second bedroom it's 11.3 by 10. Both the washrooms are 7.6 by 5 square feet. Now first balcony it's 4 feet wide. Second balcony 5.6 feet wide and the third balcony again it's 5.6 feet wide. Now this is the layout plan of the project. This is on 75-meter wide road having 12 meters as a service lane on both the sides. This is the commercial belt in front of the project. This tower A, tower B, C, D, E, F and G. This is the community area. Now this tower A, it is 2 bedroom, 2 toilet and a store. Now this colored, it's 2 bedroom, 2 toilet type A. Blue colored, it's 2 bedroom, 2 toilet type B. Now this is the present situation of the project. It was launched last year in 2019 and the work has been going on rapidly. It's expected to give the delivery of the project towards the end of 2021 or the beginning of 2022. Right now, most of the towers, they are under construction. In case you are looking to buy this project, you can call me on my mobile number which is on the screen. Thank you friends, and further enjoy the presentation.